build a budget small form factor PC with me. For the case, we're using the Fractal Ridge, mounted with two 140mm fans and a 650-watt Corsair power supply. For the board, we're using an A620i from Gigabyte, and a Ryzen 5 8400F, 16 gigs of RAM, and a random Micron SSD. The cooler is an AXP120X67 from Thermalright. Most of these components were sourced from Marketplace, including the case, CPU, RAM, SSD, and the cooler, along with the power supply as well. Here I am mounting the hardware for the mounting of the cooler. I pretty much had to relearn how to use the cooler and the case because it didn't come with any instruction manuals when I bought it. So I just kind of went in blind with this one. That's going to be a pretty familiar theme over this next build as well, where I'm planning to do a Velka 5 build using a 4070 Super and a Ryzen 5 9600X. It's going to be a killer. So make sure you stay tuned for that build as well. And that's pretty much the motherboard done. I think it looks pretty good, pretty budget for sure, but solid overall. Stay tuned for part 2 where I put it in the case.